Alright, let's stop talking about how white we are, okay? I'm currently recording. That's not a joke.
What do I use to make
No, guys, I have a rare disease called ligma.
Okay, Buckaroo.
You use a smithing table?
Why are you guys still playing Minecraft? Like, it's a good game, but like, holy guacamole.
Them blocks and shit, I'm in.
Do you use a smithing table, a fletching table, a katana?
Oh my God. Is that
That's
Okay,
right
yeah, I
thing.
found
fucking pig? That's fucking fucking Steve. I am fucking Steve.
How do I make netherite things?
Okay, then I need to get more redstone. Yep, redstone right there.
What does a fletching table do?
See, it
What?
fletches your
Nothing.
table.
Nah, I said if you do it one more time, you'll get it, buddy. I guess you get it. I guess Brody's gay. If you do it again, you're gay. Or put me in a hole, you're gay.
Nah.
Put me in a hole, you're gay. Yo, buddy, if you break it one more fucking time, you're gay.
I'm not gonna break it.
That was actually really good. I needed that.
Play some
shoot.
blocks and chills, I'm in.
You know what I'm gonna do? How do you make netherite thing? So slow. I'm gonna pull up a YouTube video.
Yo, AJ, wanna know something funny? I just finished.
Damn.
I like to see you, bro. Honestly, I say I look cool. Honestly, I say I look cool, bro. Honestly, I'm gonna go make a house in the Nether now. My home is gonna be in the Nether.
You have to find a smithing table. You can't just search one up in creative.
Yeah, you can.
No. Well, I'm gonna do /give. I'm gonna try.
Honestly, crazy though. I actually did find mine in creative, AJ. Bro, and it didn't even take that long to find that. The thing that was taking long for me to find was redstone. I just searched up red. Blooper. I just searched up red. Honestly, I'm gonna be living in the Nether, so I'm gonna probably most shit is red there. So let me just get that.
God damn it. What the hell, bro? Why? Why? On it? What? Why does Anna have to torture me like this, bro?
Anna!
On it, what the hell did I do to you?
Who the f is Anna?
On it.
On it.
You're supposed to- How does this have an entire fan base? This weapon sucks its butt, bro. What the hell?
Never see you coming.
Seven diamonds. Oh, that's the razor part. I need to go back home.
What?
Give myself another.
Real quick. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go to that.
Ah,
that I
beautiful.
robbed. I'm gonna go to that village I robbed. Then there might be, if you hear some explosion noises from that direction, just don't mind the explosion noises.
I might have a lot of diamonds, guys.
Okay. T. And TNT. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, put some. I'm just gonna put like some every about once in about because I want to make it
Oh,
like
it's netherrack.
boy like burning off. Okay, yep, that should be good. And here right by everything else.
God damn, bro. What the hell, bro? This weapon sucks ass, bro.
I'm just duping.
Whoa! Bro, this time I'm actually recording.
I said duping. Duplicating.
Sounded like something else. I'm gonna keep it a buck.
Alright, bro. Alright.
What do you mean, alright, bro? It sounded like you said the N-word.
Duping?
Monkey.
How does that sound like the N-word?
You said something after that sounded like the N-word.
If I would have said duplicating, that would sound like the N-word.
I wasn't talking about that. You said something else, and that sounded like the N-word. I'm not talking about doping. It sounded like you said stupid N-word.
No, I would never.
Okay, Buckaroo. Do you remember last night's call?
I didn't say the N-word, that was Gideon.
I didn't say the N-word either, bro. Person.
Well, if I was lying, I would be dead. Well, you got my nether plate.
Trying to make it look like a. I'm not trying to make it.
I was the night.
Whoa, Bucko. Copyright.
Bro, I swear to God, I'm about to
We stopped him for copyright.
I'm about to blow you up.
What is the problem? Not wanting to get copyrighted?
I didn't even. You should have said something that you were. No,
I did.
you did. I'm slow. My fault, G. You gotta.
How many music beats does this guy have?
Armor. Alright. I made
I'm
it
gonna
all
look
by
at how
myself.
many
I
music
didn't
beats this
just
guy got.
go into the search and get netherite armor. No, I did this all by myself.
How many music beats?
Oh, hi, Hot Cocoa.
Fortnite.
What?
I don't want to play Fortnite. Oh wait, that's
Where did
Where?
Bagel go? Oh, Bagel said they had to go. I'm sorry.
Okay, where did you get that banner, by the way, Ben? Like, where did you take the photo?
Oh, that was from Jujutsu Infinite.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
When you said that, you got, like, your thing was stuck in black and white.
Yeah.
I had 3 bricks of cocaine in the nursing home.
Bro, AJ.
Make sure not to say anything too crazy. He's recording right now.
Who? Bean?
Him, the guy you were just talking to.
Oh, yeah. Yes. Damn.
Remember, guys, no slurs.
No,
Okay, not yet. Yeah.
No
Yes,
promises.
I'm Stephen King!
the recording. I already said one. Check back on the recording.
You did?
Remember?
Alright, guys, I'm a.
No. Yeah, I don't really care, anyways.
I
Alright, I'm gonna leave, so you might get kicked out.
No.
Whoa.
I'm getting on Roblox. That's what. Oh, cop.
Are you on Roblox right now,
I
bro?
was making shape.
Someone commented on my news video
No
saying
cussing,
H.
Getting a no swearing. Getting a no swearing.
Alright, shut
What
the
do you
fuck
think
up.
this is now?
Hey! Keep
Yeah,
it to Birdie!
Bro, someone commented on my Beastborn video with H. I replied to that saying, yeah, understood.
Anyway, so,
With you, that's probably like the most.
are you on Roblox or not, bro?
Me, yeah.
Why is he?
I don't know.
We're playing. You want to play Fortnite? Well, too bad.
I might have found a, you know, Haikyuu, like the volleyball, anime.
I tried downloading Fortnite and asked me for my real age and name. I'm not giving that to him.
You can face the lead, by the way.
I don't really care.
Put it.
It asked me to give them my real name. I wasn't doing that.
Bro,
know.
put
You
it
do a fake
21.
name.
Put in
What
20.
Fortnite is you downloading, bro?
I downloaded the Fortnite by Epic Games.
Nah, bro, you download
Yeah.
the K games.
Put 21
Yeah,
and then for your name, do something for me.
No, make it Ligma Balls.
Shut up.
No, put like a believable name. Put like a believable name, like
Yeah,
Bartholomew.
no, I'm not doing that. I don't really care. Plus, I already deleted the installer. I don't know why.
What?
You have Twitch.
What?
You guys like have Twitch.
I had Twitch.
I stream on Twitch rare.
Same with me, bro.
I had
It's like
Twitch.
it's like every single eclipse, bro.
But you want to know something that starts with a T and I do have? Twitter.
Time.
Shut up.
Bro, Twitter's peak.
Twitter is not peak. I went to the home page and the first thing I saw was someone calling someone a pedophile.
I went to the homepage.
There's some crazy stuff about, you know, Creedcraft, right? He was like, and go come. And then he's like, Flamingo could do something. Funny.
Yeah, bro, I
And then
agree
he
with
was
that.
just being called
And
a
that,
pedo.
and that. Yeah, bro, I understood.
I'm not supposed to be like that.
They're gonna call bro a pedophile. Can't be that much of a-
I'm gonna give it a bug. You keep cutting out.
My fault.
Who?
I'm sorry. I have to troll.
What the hell money injured with Big Randy?
Big day granny. He take a booty, not just candy. He just upload to your
I
granny.
thought you were streaming or making a video.
Yeah, I honestly don't care if you keep it PG until as long as you don't swear in the first like 3 minutes. I don't care.
What's up,
Then 3 minutes?
Yeah, way over 3 minutes.
Oh, yo, what's up, my mother? What's up? What's
Okay.
up, people that watching this? Yo, you
I hope
probably
Skibbity by
subscribing
skip.
for probably for the
Skibbity
next 3
Biden.
minutes.
If you're watching this video, I unfortunately want you to know you should go play Item Asylum Fire game. If you've never played Item Asylum, and I want you to know that you've never played an
You haven't lived
Okay.
until you played Item
Warning.
Asylum.
Warning.
Never
Warning.
became a man
A
until
lot of
played
cussing.
Item Asylum.
In a couple of minutes, there's gonna be a warning. There's probably about to be a lot of cussing. Okay, so
Can we like do something fun?
big motherfucker.
This is fun.
How do I get up to stick bug?
All right, so first you, and then you go, and then see that's what you do.
Understood.
Yeah.
Alright, so what you telling me is first? You want me to,
Yeah, first you hit that,
Out of the YouTube.
and then you hit that, and then
understood. I heard you.
yeah.
You get up to the stick bug.
You need like good shoes and the 15 bees.
15 bees.
Listen, that's nothing, okay? I have like 29 right now. I need one more to get to the 30 bee area. But they get expensive, bro. Let me see your hive. Oh, AJ, your hive is actually good.
Okay,
Mine,
Too
I
bad.
thank you.
I'm right now at my hive right now.
I'm right now broke. I can't afford.
You're not in our
Right now
server,
at
Gideon.
my hive. What?
You're not in our server, Gideon.
Yes, he is, because I'm right.
His hive's right next to me.
Gideon's.
His hive's right next to mine.
Oh, I'm not in your server. How full is your server?
I literally joined you.
Yeah, I'll rejoin that server.
How did you see my hive, but not his?
Yeah, it started with an A and an L, and I thought that said AJ.
Oh.
What is the bees just crying?
Okay, hold up. Warning. There might be some cussing.
Shut your bitch ass up.
Okay, so that might have been
stupid
that might have been blurred out of the video.
Goofy out low production. I say right. Fuck.
I killed a beetle. If I
Got
kill a
2,
beetle,
4, 6,
is that
8.
animal abuse?
Oh, you got 10 bees. Congrats. Follow me.
What? I have 10
Follow me.
bees.
Yeah.
I've been at the 10 bees area. I've been over there.
Yeah.
Gideon, how do you already have 10?
Because he played for a bit, I think. All right. So.
Yeah.
I played yesterday for a bit.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll be right back. I need to go get that.
I'm not basic bee level.
Oh, there's a sprout party over here? You better bet I'm getting involved in this party.
When did you mess that up?
Yeah, bro, ain't no party like a Diddy party. I was in a Diddy party once, it's crazy.
Party once.
Bro, Diddy invited me to his private room.
Pause.
Only the true G's understand.
What's going on over there? Bro, how do I get up there?
Diddy had his freak on.
Area.
Oh, wait! Oh, go to the bamboo field. Go to bamboo field. There's a sprout. Oh, ooh, that's a rare sprout, I think.
Where's bamboo? Oh, I see bamboo field.
Here, I'll help you kill your spider. Come back over here.
What is this up here?
I killed your spider. Come get the loot. AJ, come down here. I killed your spider. Go get the loot. Oh, this is a good sprout. I
got a royal jelly.
Ooh, nice.
And a gift.
Guys, you wanna get some good stuff? Come to this sprout.
Hold on, I'm busy.
If Maymay was here, that would be so much better.
Give me this. I need
If
the
y'all ever
money.
just hit that. What about?
Give me all the money. Give me.
Damn.
Those are beaters.
Wait, did I complete a quest?
Back to my hive.
Wait, someone completed a quest. Who was it?
What?
Someone completed a quest. I don't know who was it.
It's 4.9 million. I don't think I'm beating that. I'm gonna go back to my hive real quick though.
All right, I can stay here for a while. Actually, no, I can't. I gotta go empty mine out soon.
When do you gotta go?
I'm right now just.
No, I don't have to go. I just have to go empty my basket thing.
Bro, I'm right now moonwalking around this.
You mean your honey bag?
Yeah, my honey bag, my honey sack. Wait, what?
I just need to get one thing with a really good.
Where's May, bro? He's been gone for a while.
Good.
I got the looker bee.
Oh wow, bro.
I got the looker bee.
Damn.
Jump speed.
Can't believe they
Let's go.
made it so I can't play freak player anymore. It's so sad.
What's freak people?
Bongle, I'm so happy in the jungle, I refuse to go.
What the hell was that?
Crazy.
Cocktail.
Okay, shut up.
What do gumdrops do?
Hold up. I have to empty out my thing.
Ooh, honey.
My
Honey.
thing.
Oh, I've got a little boost in my backpack.
Oh, never mind.
Yo, whoever's using those snowflakes, thanks for boosting my backpack. I really needed that.
Hey, I got snowflake.
Yeah, boost my backpack by a fuck ton.
Yeah, same here.
I got 43.
Yo.
Oh, the moto chick spawned. Alright, y'all can destroy that. I'll be right back after I kill this guy.
What does the motor chick do?
It basically
moto
drops a
chick,
load of money. Oh, you're back. Holy cow. Perfect
I've been
timing,
here
too.
the whole time.
You haven't been talking.
Where's
though.
Moto chick?
I know. I was muted.
Oh, damn.
I've been here.
Anyways, join this
Where's
server. It's
Moto
better.
chick at? I want to
Okay.
It's in the 25. It's the area. You don't have enough. You need 10. You need 15 more.
Oh, how is it fit from him? I'm the one who hit him up. Hit it up.
Where are these?
Oh, there's one slot left in the server.
Damn, perfect. Where are my fat fuck bees? Oh, there they are.
Whoa.
Listen, I don't care.
I'm gonna.
Gideon, why are all of your bees on the left side?
I don't. You know your lefts and rights at least.
At least I have all my bees on the left side.
Oh! Oh god!
Guys, I
It's a level.
vacuum.
Ben, this is a toothpaste hive with all the event bees and a couple mythics. Oh
You go look.
god! This is. Oh god!
Oh, yeah, this
You know what's with this sprout? It has 4 million.
Bro,
Okay,
look at how many music bees they have. 1, 2, 3. Holy guac.
It's at the bamboo area.
They don't even have. They have 2 gifteds.
Yeah, bro. Done.
Bro, that
Yeah?
shit is actually
I
crazy.
found what's it called?
Oh my god. Wait, Mei, there are two golden sprouts.
Tua?
Fuck you!
Oh.
Kill the frog! Kill the frog!
Where are they? Where are they?
One in
I found
bamboo
a-
and one in the werewolf area.
Frog, why is it a frog?
Okay, you know what that kind of looks like? Kind of looks like the Mount Pass.
Yeah,
There aren't any sprouts on my screen.
Really? Welcome to the
I'm in the
bamboo
same
field.
server as y'all.
This guy's balls.
Yeah.
There's a sprout right here. 4.
Well, help us kill it, I guess.
There's no sprouts here.
I mean, you're helping us a lot, but like,
Weird, because there's no sprouts here on my screen.
Blueberry.
AJ, your thing is filled
it's kind of
up.
like
No.
I have my.
Okay, well, who just played that sh?
I'm sorry. Did you want like this?
We're going deep and we're going hard.
Oh, I already am hard.
What about no bap?
Geeked up, your dance cap. She bossed up, put on the map. Nothing to sprite.
Hey, copyright.
Oh yeah, you're right. My
Copyright,
bad.
copyright.
I'm not cutting it
copyright.
out. I'm not cutting it out.
Bro just copyrighted himself.
Yeah.
He's
If
gonna
it's already on YouTube, guys, if it's already on YouTube, it doesn't do anything. If the song is already on YouTube, it doesn't do anything.
Damn. I know that. Man, where did you go? You are really helping us out until you skedaddle. Like,
Bro,
What? Sigma?
okay, if it does nothing, then it's going.
That's what I was thinking of earlier.
Brain rot.
give it a Biden.
Brain rot.
That's still political. That can still get you a copyright.
I don't give a shit.
How would that give you a copyright strike?
Yeah.
I don't
Do you know what copyright means?
It means you're
Yes.
copying someone else's content.
It means you're using it means you're using something somebody made with time and effort to make money and stealing it without like it's basically like taking somebody else's song and making money off of it.
Well, I'm not making money off of anything, so I don't really give a shit.
Or anything. It could be anything. It doesn't have to be a song. It could be somebody's game. It could be somebody's drawings. Example, AI images. They literally just rip art from people and mishmash them together, and it's legally stealing and theft. And
Not Sigma.
I got so many.
but the thing is, so many people are involved with it. The law can't do anything about it. They're
That's just sad.
all helping that.
Wait, did you guys already finish that?
Yeah. Oh my god!
I'm depositing my honey right now, bro. I'm right now depositing my honey.
Well, I'm destroying the other one in Cactus Field.
I'm gonna save that for a
Hey,
shiny.
bro, wait, where's Cactus Food at?
15B area.
You have to be kidding me.
Nope.
Yeah,
I almost have a million.
no, I agree, Red Bear that time, but there was one little two tokens were on top of each other. It looked like it spawned an ability. It looked like my werewolf spawned an ability token because it was literally on top of one of the tokens.
Goddamn.
Oh, this is my fucking gun.
And your reward for killing the werewolf? Aced.
I just can't wait till the Beesmas thing is over. I have so many quests I'm not gonna be able to finish. Example, Honeybee's Honey Wreath.
What does an exhausted bee do? I think I just wait.
It makes it so I can't
Oh,
sleep.
I can see the sprout now.
Oh, how the fuck?
It's a bee that has infinite stamina. Somebody sent a picture. It was there's a bunch of codes that don't work in Beestorm anymore that Audit made for the funny. One of them was like, don't use this jelly, it's a basic bee jelly. It's a royal jelly that turns anything into a basic bee. And then there was one that was called Audit Bee, and it gives you a exhausted bee egg.
Damn. Damn.
Honest was not in the mud.
Oh, I should pick up my bomb tokens so we can get a bunch of bubbles. Watch this, bro. I gotta get 25 bombs.
Yo, Meme, you wanna have a sprout party?
Bro, are you gonna call
Yeah.
me?
I have 7 sprouts.
Nice. I have 8.
I might be able to get more after this one breaks.
Guys, I have a question.
Ja?
Why does the term sprout party
why
exist?
is
No,
there-
how does it
Guys, I
exist?
need help. I need help with what is this even called, bro? A snare. I need help with snare. Snare balls.
You're not gonna kill it. It has 20 million. None of us have killed it in this call.
Well, I don't even care if I have to wait an hour. Bro, I'm gonna give my.
I'm doing.
I found it in the spot
Ooh,
near the
Stika.
first area.
Oh, there's
Purple
my,
pointed critter.
There's another sprout.
Yes, at the first area.
Oh yeah, there's my bubbles.
Wow, a little late.
Gideon, come on, help me with the sprout.
No, I'm right now busy trying to kill this.
Oh my god, bro, the instant.
Why does the chair keep spinning, bro?
What happened to my bees? My bees are gone.
Oh my lord.
Bro, did this
Oh
slime?
my
Alright, we gotta
God,
claim
bro.
one side. I call this side, you cut the other. I wanna get at
Yeah.
least something.
That looks like the battle pass.
That kind of
looks
looks
like
like
a
the
battle
battle pass,
pass.
honestly.
Google, show me this guy.
Ooh, some of this guy's caught.
What?
Google, show me this. Oh my god, I got a sprout.
Google, show me this guy.
Nice.
Google, show me this guy.
This round is gonna take a while to end.
Eggs. How do you find them?
Getting my screen.
Man, how many of those things do you have?
Not enough.
Sticker.
My sticker!
I found a royal jelly! Found a royal jelly.
They think the sprout party's over.
Nah, bro, I got 4 more.
I got 2 more. How many sprouts have you been getting?
I have no idea, bro. I only got 1 more. Oh,
Oh,
Okay,
okay. I got nothing.
Yeah, where
Ow,
are you?
werewolf, dumb bitch.
First of all, where are you? AJ, first of all, where are you? First of all, where are you, AJ?
how many do you have?
How many do you have? Because me personally, I don't got enough.
Mother bear.
Where are you?
Yeah, I'm out.
Getting go.
I see you. Where are you?
Imagine a star jelly spawns.
My last sprout.
Oh, glitter.
Goodbye.
Show me these guys. Oh,
This has to be so annoying for the players here. All I hearing is blomp, blomp, wow, blomp, blomp, wow.
For real. Damn. Bro, that is crazy. I wonder how many royal jellies I have now. Hold up. I got 40 tickets from that. A bunch of treats and stuff.
140.
Oh god.
Oh god, I got so.
yeah, I already saw it.
I got like 500 treats from that.
I got 50 royal jellies from that.
I think I got like 30. I have no idea, bro. I don't even know what just happened, honestly.
Neither do I. Midway through, you were asking how many things do you have?
Does bro already have Super Scooper? Like a day.
Early game is easy, late game is hard. I have a few.
I'm only gonna take everything because he has speed boost.
I'm trying to take all the honey, bro. I'm trying to take all the money.
Where's all the bellies?
Going after all the honey, bro. Take all the honey.
What is this moon?
Oh, the toothpaste time left. Let's go. We didn't deserve to be in this game anyways.
I hit that perfectly. My god, thank you. That was so tasty.
How do I trade?
I got 1 moon. Because Bagel, you took some of them from.
Let's go! I got my first score. My god.
Yo, AJ, trade. Oh wait, no, I can't trade until they.
How do you earn trading?
All right, remember? Do you want?
I see a royal jelly right now.
What about
I
this?
don't know how to
What
jump.
about those? I just want to get rid of these, okay? I just want to get rid of these. I don't want anything.
I see somebody that I think might be
I'll take them.
off. I see
Give
somebody
me a
that
second
might
or two.
be off that.
Wait, I'll give you something. Hold up. No, not that. Those are really rare. Here's a bomb.
Ooh, my favorite. They call me the bomb
You're gonna eat
because
the
I'm Middle
bomb?
East.
How to get trading?
Hope I don't regret that.
How to eat bombs?
You don't eat bombs normally? That's greedy.
I personally eat bombs every singular day.
Same.
Nobody's saying how to get it.
Little creatures that live on
Item
sprouts.
locations.
Oh, my planter's done.
Oh, it gives one magic bean.
How to get sheep and eat these.
Anyway, I'm gonna end the video now. It's been 35 minutes.